Okay, for those that I think more or less you understand, let me just recap. You got to insert the pendant lamp one, all right, not the two. One doesn't work. It's too bright already. I think this one just nice. I was wondering also, this is a concrete block. It doesn't come with a louvers, right? If not, how this ventilation, the vowel, the smell, going to
Yeah, that's right.
so-called, huh? Correct, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I don't know how this architect designed this building. I don't know. Unless they have something on the exhaust socket somewhere. Yeah, should have somewhere, maybe. I don't know. Okay, so take note this. This is actually the pendant light. One lamp, 4 feet. Yeah. Oh, so double check your data set, which is here, right? Requirement. After you fill it this, then you lighting analysis. At least it's still pass because you have plus minus. So God save the queen. Yep. Okay. Then what else? You need to a light switch or sensor you prefer. So light switch. Light switch is device. Light switch. Single pole. Insert one here. Right. So I have one here. And power first story. Remember, power first story is here. Because your that's what I call it.
It
Yeah. This is supposed to be your electrical fixture. 460 too low already. This one should be at least at 1.2 or 1.5. Okay, so I'll put one here. Yeah, somewhere in the center. Okay, all right. So remember to control your visibility. That means power, you don't see all these, right? But the power source for this, where should I put it? The LP and PP.
I think the right side here
This
out.
one is an electrical room.
I'm not sure.
Yeah,
Let's
that's
check.
why I say we got to tag and see. If not, open archive file. Okay, that one I'd let you guys go and try it out. Meantime, okay, when this one I should not see. Then I go to connect, right? Remember, select this.
Yes, the one is the electrical room.
Yeah, correct. Electrical room, huh? So I should have one here
Yeah.
lah. One here, right? So because here the usage not high, but okay lah. I think because it's for two toilet and for this, so you have to have one here. Okay, so we're going to add system electrical equipment. I think we already have it before, right? Make sure it's surface mounted. 480 surface 100. Yeah, this one pole breaker I think too much also lah, but we leave it lah, huh? What is the name? 1002. This one should be 1005. What is this name here? Okay, let me insert first. So I maybe here one. Okay, then I insert one more. The other one is 208. This one, and I put it here side by side. Okay, once done, this one here, change the name. Remember, this is the panel. So this is your lighting panel, correct? If you're not sure, you don't do first. LP. This is 219? No, right? This one is what? Male toilet is 107 and 108. So I think LP dash 107 underscore 108. See, share lah for 2. All right. Yeah. And this one is PP dash 107 underscore 108 power panel. Okay. So done. Pick this fella. Power, right? Then remember to edit circuit. Okay. So 2, 3, 4. Not this, this is under. Oops, am I doing a power? No, yeah, full story. Then select your panel name. If here cannot, should be here. See, this one. Done. Finish. Then point right. Select any network. That is a switch already. By right, this should have some switch, right? Come on. Tap. How come it doesn't connect my power? See now. Notice? Very weird, It doesn't connect the power. Weird. So how to rectify? Remember to select the circuit. Electrical circuit. I would like to edit the circuit. Panel is none. See, so scary. It doesn't update. Now let's see what happened. Tap again. Tap again. See this connection? There's a break there. You see this? How come this guy doesn't extend? Can we extend? See now, it doesn't go there. Very weird.
Yeah.
Huh? See now, the system doesn't allow you to connect this way. So can I connect manual now?
Can.
Can,
Okay.
right? Select
Okay.
here to where? Here lah. Or here also can, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, no choice. It's a bit far, but we still go to lay because this is the only place they allow you to what do you call it? Storage your panel. Okay, so
We
go
can
to
just
this.
we can just connect directly, right? Don't need to like make it look nice, right?
No lah, this one is already arc already. Unless you say you're installing, because now you are doing more on conceptual. So conceptual, I don't care. Unless you are installation, and they're different. Installation, of course, you must go to here, right? Then go
Yeah.
out,
Ah,
then come in here,
Because I did like that
That's
for
installation. Huh?
for the project for the assignment.
No, it's okay. Doesn't matter as much. It's okay. Because doing conceptual, you just need to highlight to them that is a supply to here. So to me, if let's say they are doing separately, it looks clean to me, it's fine. All right, it's fine. Because you do so-called like this way, out lah or inside lah, come out here lah, like that. It's not wrong also. It's just it's more on installation. It means as such
so
in real world you install. Yeah. Huh?
the panel right.
Mm.
Panel. How many room can connect in one panel?
This one actually depends on the designer. It
Mm.
just said what is the size of this panel and what's the reserve. Is it something like, for instance, to me, I feel is the importance because this is only like a general use. So,
Yeah.
For instance, I think this room, this is a computer lab. Agree?
Yeah. Yeah.
If computer lab, I don't think I want the panel to be here. It should be on here. Like what you see in BCA, every room have a sub panel.
Answer.
You get what I mean?
Yeah.
Unless you tell me the whole zone, the control is at the Fire Command Center, FCC. If not, it should split into individual. So if this guy doesn't have a sub panel, if we let it at the FCC, it means every uh, maintenance or every trainer say, hey, they must call up the FCC. Hey, your this room got no power, then they got to turn it on. Troublesome, because it tripped. So I don't think so. They want it that way. Yeah,
Okay.
they will normally branch out, minimize the maintenance, minimize the calling here and there. But I think this should be the correct way, right?
Yeah.
Olden days we don't have that lah. Yeah, but I say olden days is maybe 20, 30 years back. Straight away go to the command center because all those pole are very compact nowadays. You ever see the one in BCA? The pole itself like one chunk like that big. I see before. The old lab at 2-4 and 2-3. I tell that is scary. All the pole then gigantic. Now they all upgrade to the small one. Yeah, like what you see in the academic tower now, all very compact. Okay, so this one, the so-called the panel, the sub panel can be smaller now. Yeah. Okay.
Answer.
So because here normally the consumption not high, so normally they share lah. Consumption not high, I won't think they'll often trip. So at least you maintain it here. So this one can accommodate a few area. This is your lounge, your toilet, heater. I think this one can be together. And some other room, maybe, I don't know, instructions room can be on its own or can be here. So depends the electrician or the engineer they plan this. All right. The critical lah, because here says instruction high. You might not know what is the usage because it can be like you have power socket for laptop, power socket for others, charge your handphone, then of course default is the lighting lah, bright enough because it's a instruction room. It's more like a teaching room. It can be a lab also instruction so we never know what is the actual usage. Yeah, because if we know what is the actual usage, then you got to cater for what is the planning. If you talk about real world calculation, but here since I'm not doing that, so I don't care. Library itself on the second story on top. This is level 1. I mentioned something on second story. Anyway, so take note this. All right. Yeah. So at least this one have. I'm going to save my file because I just only have one room there. So I go to save. Okay. So I'm going to close this. Come on. Yeah. Close it. Mine is half done. It's not fully done yet. So let me stop recording and start a new one.